Hello students, welcome back to our channel. So today I have come back with a very useful information to the Maharashtra state students. That is, Maharashtra State Board has reduced the syllabus by 25%. Okay. So today we are going to see 9th standard geography reduced syllabus details. Okay. I will show you chapter by chapter and page by page reduced syllabus details. That is, reduced syllabus topics mainly. Okay, students. You see, there are 12 chapters in 9th standard geography. I will start from the chapter number 1, that is distributional maps. Let us see. In page number 1, there is a reduction, that is make friends with maps. This yellow highlighted parts, whatever the yellow highlighted parts in this video that I am showing, those were reduced from the syllabus. Okay, students. The continuation of the page number 1, this again highlighted part was removed in page number 2. And coming to page number 3, and students, I forgot to mention, again this map also there is no need to read. And again in figure number 1.2, from here to continuation up to here, name in taluka have given population density less than 300 persons like square kilometer. Up to this, totally it was removed. Okay, students, including this map. Coming to page number 4, there is no change. And in page number 5, again make friends with maps. Again this map was also removed. And figure 1.5, from here to here, again these two, 1.4 and 1.5, these two were removed in page number 5. Coming to page number 6, there is no change, no reduction in the syllabus. That's the chapter number 1 exercise part. You have to do as it is. Okay, students. Coming to chapter number 2, that is endogenetic movements. In chapter number 2, page number 9, there is no change. And in page number 10 also there is no change. Page number 11 also there is no change, students. Coming to page number 12, also there is no change. Page number 13, there is no change. Page number 14 also there is no change. Coming to page number 15, there is no change, students. And in page number 16, again find out this yellow highlighted part was removed, and give it a try. These two were removed from page number 16. From page number 17, make friends with maps. This part again removed from page number 17. Page number 18 is as it is, and page number 19 also as it is. And exercise part you have to learn as it is earlier. Okay, students. Coming to chapter number 3, that is exogenetic processes, part 1. In this, can you tell, this was removed from page number 23. Page number 24 is as it is. Coming to page number 25, this is also as it is. Page number 26 also as it is. Page number 27 also as it is. There is no change in the syllabus. And in page number 28 also there is no change. And that's the exercise part you have to do. Coming to chapter number 4, exogenetic processes, part 2. In this, can you tell part was removed from page number 30. Coming to page number 31, again give it a try. This was removed, and think about it. These two are removed in page number 31. Page number 32, give it a try again. This was also removed. Page number 33, again think about it. At the bottom of the page, this was also removed. In page number 34, give it a try again. This is removed. Again, page number 35, color the eroded and remaining part, if any, in the given diagram. I have highlighted remove. Wherever I have highlighted with remove, these parts were reduced and removed from the syllabus. Okay, students. Coming to page number 36, again give it a try. This part was also removed. Page number 37, there is no change. And in 38, again give it a try. This is again removed, students. And think about it at the bottom of the page number 38. This was also removed. And again think about it from page number 39. That is also removed. Exercise part you have to learn as it is earlier. Coming to chapter number 5, precipitation. In chapter number 5, up to page number 43, there is no change. 44 also no change, students. Coming to page number 45, there is no change. In 46, there is a reduction of the syllabus, that is study the rainfall map at the world given figure number 5.7. This 5.7 figure number was also removed, which I have highlighted. And continuation of that, why does the amount of high rail fund in the western part of the European continents reduces in the eastern part? This part was also again removed. Think about it. These two were removed. Coming to page number 48, give it a try. This is again removed. Continuation exercise part you have to learn and practice. Coming to chapter number 6, the properties of seawater. Again, can you tell from left and right side? These two were removed. And figure number 6.1 also removed. Coming to page number 51, think about it. Again, it was removed. Coming to page number 52, there is no changes. In page number 53, see figure number 6.9. This highlighted part and page number figure number 6.1, 6.9 again removed. Coming to page number 54, there are no changes in syllabus. 55 also there are no changes, and exercise part you have to learn as it is. Coming to chapter number 7, that is international date line. In this can you tell part, continuation with the table was removed. Coming to page number 59, think about it, it was again removed. Coming to page number 60, there is no change. And 61, can you tell part again, highlighted with yellow color, this was removed. Exercise part you have to do as it is. Coming to chapter number 8, introduction to economics. Here in chapter number 8, coming to page number 64 and 65, there are no changes. In 66, can you do it? This highlighted yellow colored part was removed. Exercise part you have to do. Coming to chapter number 9, that is trade. In this, we see can you tell and its continuation. In page number 68 was removed. Page number 69 as it is. In page number 70, use your brain power. This topic again removed. Coming to page number 71, there are no changes. In 72 again, can you tell and continuation was removed. Page number 72 also, try this and continuation table was removed. Exercise part again you have to learn, students. Coming to chapter number 10, urbanization. Again in this, can you tell part totally up to the top of geographical explanation. This was removed. Coming to page number 76, give it a try part was again removed. And in page number 77, give it a try and give it a try. These two were removed. Page number 78, again use your brain power. This topic was also removed. In page number 79, give it a try again. And the bottom side pictures, air pollution, water pollution, these three were removed. And think about it. This is also removed. Exercise part you have to learn. Coming to chapter number 11, transport and communication. Let's recall portion and table. Can you tell? Continuation. Both are removed. No need to read. Coming to page number 83, 84, there are no changes. '85 also there are no changes. Coming to page number 86 also there are no changes. 87 is as it is. That's the chapter number 11. Coming to chapter number 12, tourism. In this chapter, page number 88 and 89 are as it is. 90 is also as it is. 91 and 92. 93 is also as it is, students. So in chapter number 12, there is no reduction in the syllabus and no topic was removed. Exercise part you have to learn and exercises. Okay, students. That's it, students. That's the 9th standard geography reduced syllabus details for Maharashtra State Board. I hope you all like our video. Please subscribe to our channel and share to your friends.